Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Golf. So first of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on, and it's another one I need three hands for rather. So basically, from any screen here, you just have to get to this Bluetooth or this screen. No paired phone found. New user. Click new user. OK. Looking for mobile phone. If we go to the bottom here, you'll see it show up. It's looking. I may well have confused it a little bit because it's been paired and I've just deleted it. So we'll see what happens. Right, it's brought up Barry's iPhone 11 there on the screen. Nothing here. We'll click OK there. Here we go. Bluetooth pairing request 433717 pair. Confirm password with OK. 433717. OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. It's now connecting. Connecting on the screen. Barry's iPhone user profile created. Connected with the phone, and it's connected here.